Good day, students. For today's lesson, we will continue with Microsoft PowerPoint. I believe that you have already watched the first video that I have recorded in our last lesson. Now, in this lesson, we will just continue. So, in the last lesson, we have spoken about the design part, whereby we select our own themes. Okay, for example, let me just try to select a theme. Again, I'll select this one. We have also spoken about how to add new slides. I have my new slide right there, so I'm adding a new slide. Okay, we have also spoken about adding a new slide with a different design. I can probably select this one, so you see these ones have different designs. We have spoken about transitions. Okay, if you want to apply transitions to your slides, for example, I can select crush, okay, and apply it to all. And for you to see this, you just go to slideshow and you click from beginning, and you will see how it is popping. And I'm going to the next slide. So those are all the transitions that are doing that. Okay, we are going to look at the animation. All right, so the animation applies to the text. Okay, for example, if I have my let me say my topic I have is PIS. Okay, next slide. Maybe I'll put definition of what PIS is all about, and then maybe I'll put I'll probably, okay, PIS. Okay, PIS means da 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 da, and maybe I give an example here, like just an example, da 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 da, and so on. So if you want to apply animations to this text, you just highlight the text, and then you come to animation and you choose whatever animation you want. For example, I can choose shrivel. It means that this is how this text will come in. And then this one I can maybe choose underline. Okay, so this is how it will come. This is how it will appear. For me to see this, I go to slideshow again. I can start from the beginning. Okay, so that's my transitions. There you go. And now my animation will play a role. Look at that. And there you have it. Okay, so it's very simple. And as well as with PowerPoint slide, you can actually record your slides. Okay, if you want to record your slides as you are presenting, you can just come here, slideshow, and then you come to record a slideshow. If I click there, it will ask me select what to record before you begin recording. It will ask you, do you want to record the slide and the animation timings? Or do you want to record the narrations, ink, and laser pointer? If yes, you just start recording. And I'll start talking. My name is Elizabeth, and in my presentation today, we will be talking about PIS, and maybe I move to the next slide. We will start with the definition. As I'm talking, you can see here that it's also recording. Okay, and then I will probably say PIS is it means da 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 da, and the example of PIS that we have is this. You can still see here that it's recording, and once I'm done, okay, once I'm done recording, then it will stop. Okay, so if you want to see this again, you can just go directly to slideshow, okay, and it will show. Okay, so what else do we have here? Like, okay, we can start. Let's see. And I can hear. Okay, so if you go back again to slideshow from beginning, it will basically play the recording that you just recorded. And if you want to clear the recording, you want to delete the recording that you did, you can just come to record slideshow on this arrow pointing down, and then you come to clear. You can clear timing on Clyde, so you can just come here, clear timings on all slideshows and clear narrations on all slideshows, and it will do that. And by the way, for you to see if your slides were recorded, you always see this right here, like a speaker. All right, so it shows that there's a recording on this slide. Okay, so it's very easy, and PowerPoint is absolutely amazing, and so on. And what else can you perhaps know here? Okay, so basically that's it on PowerPoint. We all know that we use it for presentation to come up with very professional presentations and all that. In the last in our last class, I've basically explained on how you can upload pictures. I believe now you can do that. Maybe how to draw a table. Okay, here to put a new slide. To draw a table, you go to Insert, you click on Table, and then you can identify, how many tables, rows, and columns you want. If I want that, I can just basically just highlight here, and then it will give you everything you want, and you can write inside here. If you want to change the colors, you basically come here and you select a different color. The colors will change. Every time you want to make changes to it, you just click on the table, and then you can come here and apply any changes you want. Okay, yeah, so it's very simple. Okay, so if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to drop it down in your discussion forum. And yes, having said that, enjoy the rest of the day, and I will see you. Bye.